Nice hotel for some days in Dubrovnik, friendly personal and nice silent rooms, even the AC did not disturb. I can recommend G's place. Nice place to stay overnight. Actually owner has 3 houses, which differ a bit with conditions. In our case we shared a house with Spanish couple. We had own room, but the kitchen and bathroom were shared. Overall it is nice place to stay if you don't expect 5-star treatment. We had anything we needed, a help from owner, free Wi-Fi, and the house was located within Old Town, so you spend max 5 minutes to all attractions. Very clean and perfect location. I had a great stay. I was upgraded by surprise with no extra cost. Right in the middle of town and easy access to everything. The host was very nice and extremely informative. Kind owner and wide room plus good location. Good hotel with very friendly service. This is a good hotel with very friendly and helpful service provided by the owner Nicolina. We had a very enjoyable stay for a very good price. Good choice in Old Town. It is an inn where owner gives you a key to front door. Since vehicles not allowed you need to get your luggage in from the city gate. Located on a quiet alley.